Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I have a handbag video. I feel like I just did a handbag video with my Quince bucket bag. Love that bag so much. I'm still wearing it so much. It's the little suede one and it's fantastic. I mean, I really didn't need another new bag, but I saw this one and I kind of just had to have it. I got myself this bag about a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago, and it came pretty quickly. It took less than a week to get here, which is phenomenal because it came from Australia, and I've been wearing it ever since. So I've been wearing it for 4 days straight now. And I was gonna wait a while and do a review because there's a lot of reviews and unboxings of this bag on YouTube and on the internet. It's a pretty viral bag, honestly, and I see why. I honestly see why. I saw an ad for it and then I started doing the deep dive and watching all the videos. And it's worth the hype, honestly. I'll just spoiler alert. I really love this bag. So the bag is the Horse Clementine Bag, and I got it in the black with gold hardware, and you'll see that mine looks a little bit different than what you typically see, and I'll show you why. This bag is truly beautiful. It still smells amazing. The leather smells incredible. It's a really pretty big grain, soft grain leather or pebbled leather, and I love the slouch. I mean, I think everyone loves the slouch of this bag. That's the whole appeal. This is the kind of slouch and the shape that I wanted when I tried out the Polen Umi bag. Didn't love that bag. It ended up going back, but this one is just gorgeous. So you'll see that it has this top handle that you can use, and then it also has a crossbody strap or shoulder strap. You can use it either way, and it's adjustable. And so you can adjust it here, which is super useful. Okay, so I'll start by just sharing a little bit about the Horse. That's the name of the brand. You can see it debossed here in the leather. And they're an Australian brand, husband and wife team, and they've been making leather accessories, leather things for several years. I don't know how long exactly. And they got into the bag game a little bit later. So I think they started with shoes and then they moved on to bags, which I totally understand when brands do that transition because making shoes and clothing, you have to have so many different sizes, but bags are one size fits all for the most part. You do a couple of sizes, maybe a mini and a bigger one, and it's just a lot more versatile than having a whole size range. Anyway, so I think I actually saw this bag. I got an ad for it probably sometime last year, a while back, and because it didn't seem so unfamiliar, the shape of the bag, but they didn't have as many colors out, and it was all silver hardware. And I'm a gold hardware person for the most part. I love brass and I love gold, and I have one bag with silver hardware, but there's not a lot of it. But this bag had quite a bit of hardware, and so I'll actually take off the straps and I can show you. It's very, very simple. You just take this piece out, you pop this out, and then off comes the strap. And I actually think that this bag without the strap is perfect and amazing and lovely. But once you take this strap off, the only hardware you have are these little D-rings right here, which you can put little bag charms on, which is super cute, or other straps, which I think would be really fun and cute too. And then the way that it opens is that it has little magnetic opening, and it opens up just like that. And it's very easy to kind of get in and out of the bag. Very capacious for a mid-sized bag. Currently I am using it, so it has an inner slip pocket that I'm keeping my little mirror and comb combo in. Maybe you see better here in this little part. And then I have a hard case sunglasses. Then I have my full-size wallet. This is from Everlane. This is over a decade old. And then I have my little Saison pouch right there. And this has my keys in it. I have a little eyebrow gel, hair clip. Oh, 2 random products, my little Caudalie travel size serum, and this little My sister brought this back for me. It's like a tinted lip balm and it's really, really nice from Japan. I don't know exactly. Yeah, tinted lip balm maybe. Anyway, and then it also has a zip pocket in here. So there's a little zip pocket, and I have, oh, and there I have the hardware. Okay, so this bag actually, when it came, it had this hardware on there, these two little, I guess they're like lobster claws. So if you want to see that. And it came on the crossbody strap, and it allows the bag to swivel. And honestly, it was too much gold shiny hardware for me. And so what I did, I figured out you can do. So here's one, and then the other one I'll leave off so you can see. I'm looking for something. Here we go. So what you can do is just clip it onto this cute little D-ring, which is fantastic. I'll have to look in here to show you how. So you just clip it on, and then you have your strap, and it swivels, which is really nice, but it's a lot of gold hardware for me. Like, I could show you the entire bag with it on there. And sorry, I feel like this is a little bit chaotic of a video, but I just kind of wanted to share the bag because I've been loving it so much. So I'll just show you how I've been using it, and then if you want like a more in-depth review, what fits, how it's going, like maybe in a month or two, to see, you know, more details of the bag, I'm happy to do that. But so I put the other one back on, and like, it's fine. It's a very pretty bag, and for the first like 2 days I was wearing it like this, but the jingle of that was like bothering me. It would be in the passenger seat of my car, and I just hear it like jingling a lot, the metal on metal, and it just feels like a little cheapy because it's a shiny gold, to me at least. And so I realized, oh, actually you don't really need, here, I'll get a little closer, you don't really need this because there's a loop here. There's this really cute little loop, and I was like, oh, okay, instead of having this here, what if I just took that off altogether, because it can come off, you know, just again, open this up, unbuckle this, slide it out of the little loop, take that off, and then just slide it straight into the bag, into this little loop. And it took me a minute to like get it through this little loophole, but it goes through just fine. And then you just fold it up just like it was previously. So I'll do that off camera really quickly, show you what it looks like once I'm all done. So there, and then it's just like looped through. You still have access to the D-ring if you want like little bag charms. See? And it's gonna soften a little, the leather's gonna soften, but it does swivel up and down, so if you wanna have it hanging down, it's fine. Or if you wanna just flip it up and use it as the crossbody that it is, also works. So I don't know, I just like the look of that so much more than that. It just feels a little more minimal. I like the leather on leather. It doesn't give you the 360 swivel, obviously, but I don't really think I need that, and I've been using it for a few days like this, and it hasn't bothered me at all. So anyway, that's a little hack I discovered about this bag to make me love it even more. But just in general, the shape is really gorgeous. It's a really beautiful bag. On the bottom, there aren't feet, like metal feet, but there are these leather feet, which is great. It'll protect the bottom of the bag. It smells really lovely. The glazing on the leather is very clean. And since it's all black, it's black on black with the glazing. And yeah, I just really love it. I almost got the olive color because I do love a green bag, but I don't know if I love the contrast glazing. The olive one either has black glazing from the photos or a dark green. It's definitely a contrast to the leather color, so I'm not 100% sold on the olive yet, although it doesn't look bad, but I'm just typically not a contrast glazing kind of person. I'm also not huge on contrast stitching a lot of the time, but I've broken that rule before too. So anyhow, I will film some mod shots of how it fits on me. I'm 5'9", so if you are looking, if you are taller and you want to see what this looks like on, I can show you that. And yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Overall, I think this is an incredible value for money. I think this was $209 USD. I got free shipping because they do free shipping over 180 US dollars or something like that. And it came very fast, really well packaged. I didn't do an unboxing on this one because there's a lot of them on the internet already, but it was really, really well packaged. No complaints, honestly. No complaints on this bag. I think it's beautiful and just very chic. And it makes me want to buy another horse bag very, very soon. There's a couple on their website, one that's sold out right now, but another one, both of them I'm eyeing, and I'm like, oh, which one do I want first? Anyhow, that's my little first impressions and plus a hack of the Horse Clementine bag. I have joined the Clementine cult. I completely get it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful in some way. Let me know if you like the hack or you think it's ridiculous. I will not be offended either way. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.